Alright guys, we're back with Mac. So I do know there is another dog in here, so we will just walk in here. But again, now we're going to require him to heel and down. Playtime's over. You know, we can't have any more, of him just lunging or doing anything. Oh, did you get it all written down?
Yeah. And I want to give you my card.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, good. All right, thank you so much.
My German Shepherds are white.
Yeah. Yeah, they usually train up real well. Good boy.
Actually, I wanted to raise boxers, and I rescued the female husband.
But she was a rescue dog and you bred her?
Well, I rescued her. They told me she was full bred, and I did a DNA check on her. After I bred her, found out that she was 90%.
Oh, yeah. Well, I hope you got her spayed, though.
Oh,
She definitely should be breeding them.
They're both sprayed.
Okay, good.
She had 13 pups when I had her.
Oh, boy.
And 11 before.
Wow.
Yeah, they're both spayed.
Yeah, you got to get them spayed.
And all that stuff.
All right, well, fantastic. Down.
Need someone I have Social Security.
I gotcha. All right, well, good. I'm glad you stopped by.
I'm glad I did too when you were here.
Bye-bye. All right, let's try going in here. Remember, that buzzing sound is the pager. Good. Hey, girl, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Heel. There's a dog right down there, so I'm just going to walk that way. You need to get in the aisle or something. I'm just going to pull it in control.
Jenny, call 911.
Do my pager on that turn? Alright, you guys know how my shoe constantly comes untied. Why does Harley Davidson put nylon laces on these shoes? Anyway, Daniel's like, I can't even come up with this one. Heel. Good. Heel. Turning it with that pager. Heel. 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 Down. Okay. That dog is getting ready to come out, so we need to have a different angle. Heel. 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 Good. Oh, silly. Down. Wonderful. See, I'm down with just a pitch. I haven't used my neck at all yet. And I'm going to require down that you be over on that hip. Good. Wonderful. Good boy. We're really getting to the point again what I was talking about with that one earlier. Situational awareness. I see the dog, you see the dog. We don't have any reaction. Man. Heel. Down. Wonder. Again, we're not looking for perfection at this stage. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Heel. Good. Turn him with that pager. Heel. Did not tighten my leash up at all. Good. Good. Heel. I'm going to drop my leash down. I just incorporated my command into my sentence. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Down. How you doing? Good. Good boy. Heel. Good. Heel. Heel. See, he's still looking at that dog now, but that's our new expectation, and I'm not trying to tell you guys he's never going to do anything again. If that dog would have barked at him, he would have barked right back, but we're headed in the right direction. More updates soon.